I'm Hemasai, working at Anscer Robotics as an entrepreneur in residence. Because we are trying new things which can ease our operations. This custom templates with workflow automations triggered with the candidate status. Somewhere it is easing the hiring manager jobs. So basically I look after this automation things in the company across different domains for different operations. So that's where I got to know about Zoho when I entered into the Answer. Because we are trying new things which can ease our operations, not only with related to recruitment but also with all other stuff as well. And that's how I explored. First I started with Zoho Recruit, in fact, and I felt somewhere it is easing the hiring manager jobs, and not only hiring managers but also recruiter ka jobs as well. Somewhere I felt all these email automations and the buckets which we use for screening or hiring for different levels. So that is helping us a lot in this segment. And I particularly felt interested about this workflow automations and Zoho Recruit, so which is easing our job way a lot, individual to the candidates profile, or mass bulk actions, like if we want to do some actions for the multiple profiles. So that's where I felt Zoho Recruit very much helpful for me. What I generally do is sending notifications to the candidates. Right. I basically based on because we have multiple hiring openings in our company. So what we do here is we'll be screening multiple profiles on multiple job openings. So based on our schedule and our free time. So what I made is we created this custom templates with workflow automations triggered with the candidate status. So whenever I change the status, immediately it will trigger the notifications to the candidates for each and every status. And this I use on very daily basis, in fact. And this is using us this is not only keeping us updated according to the statuses, but also it is keeping the candidate warm as well based on the company's hiring updates. Made my life easy actually, to be say, in fact. So the automated email it triggers every time whenever I do some action in my recruit, and it is keeping updated the candidates as well, so that we are connected very I can say we connected a long happier than before with this Zoho Recruit.